Hey lovelies, let's go native, let's go local today. Every day is not for continental, okay? Today I'll be showing you how I made this Utazi sauce for my yam. In my village, it's usually used for New Yam festival or any big occasion on when you want to cook for your daddy, okay? So these are the basic things I use in making this Utazi Oba sauce. You actually don't need so much spices. Here, I just use my red oil, fresh pepper, onions. Don't worry, all the things I use I will drop in my description box, okay? How do you like to cut your yam? Do you like it square or round? Whichever shape you want, my dear. Go ahead and cut your yam in your desired shape. I did that and went ahead to put it on fire, added water and little salt to taste, okay? I set that aside and went ahead to make my sauce. This sauce is the simplest sauce you can think of. In less than 2 minutes, or let me say in less than 5 minutes, to be realistic, you are done. This my red oil, I just get it heated up a bit. Do not allow your oil to bleach. As such, I recommend you just warm your oil, add your onions, and then go ahead and add your crayfish. This crayfish, I didn't bother to grind it because it tastes better, and to me in this kind of sauce it's always nicer to, when you want to eat, you'll be feeling your crayfish in it. So I didn't bother to grind it. You can decide also to grind your own, is optional, okay? I went in with my pomo cow skin, which is also optional. In my village usually they use dry fish, so you can go ahead and use any kind of protein of your choice, either chicken, goat meat, more fish, or whatever. Even here, I also added just a single, or let's say just one piece of fresh fish because I have it available at home. So feel free to do whatever you want with your sauce. But basically, follow the steps I used in making this sauce, okay? So this is it. Everything is almost ready, guys. I went ahead to add my oba, which is the oga pata of them all. This oba, when you are using oba, please don't add too much pepper because this tends to bring out any kind of pepper you use. It will really spice it up, okay? And also don't use too much salt or spices when you are using oba. My mom told me that when I'm using oba, which I've also seen and is very practical, it brings out salt and pepper in the food. So try to reduce hand when applying or when adding your pepper and your salt anytime you want to use oba. So this is the Utazi leaf, which is the bitter kind of leaf we have around. So please, this leaf is very essential to this kind of sauce. See, our yam is ready, guys. Once your yam is tender, go ahead and bring it down. Serve with this sauce. Whoever that eats this yam will definitely come back asking for more. So if you want to tweak your meal, if you just want to try something new, go ahead and make this sauce. You will thank me later. If you'll be making this sauce, please tell me in the comment section. Your comment is highly appreciated. But have you subscribed to my channel? If you are just seeing this video for the first time, please do wait to subscribe to my channel. I will be so glad to have you on board. So guys, bring your plate, bring your spoon or your fork. How do you want to eat your own yam and sauce? In my native way, we eat it with hand. So exactly the fork is doing here. I don't get it. So guys, if you want to enjoy with your fork, go ahead. As for me, I'll be using my hands. Let's go natural. This is native food. You will so enjoy this meal with your fingers, as in with your hands. Enjoy yourself and thank me later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that I appreciate your like, your comment, and also if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, okay? Thank you. Bye.